So now let's look at how we use this to graph a line. So really quick, let's review how we previously graphed a line. So what I did is I found the x and y intercepts. So remember how we do that is we plug in 0 for the opposite variable. So I get negative 6x plus 8 times 0 equals 16, leaving me with negative 6x equals 16. Divide by 6, negative 6, and I get x is equal to, well, let's see what negative 16 divided by 6 is a repeating decimal, so we'll say approximately 2.7. Not really a nice number to try and graph, right? Okay. Our y-intercept would be a little nicer, but we still needed 2 points. So let's look at what this would look like if I were to put this into slope-intercept form. Okay, so first thing we do is we move the x. So negative 6x, I'm going to add 6x to both sides to do its opposite, leaving me with 8y equal to 6x plus 16. Then we do our great divide. Divide both, or everything by 8. 6 divided by 8 does simplify, doesn't become a whole number, but it does simplify, and I get both of them divisible by 2, so I end up with 3 over 4x, and then 16 divided by 8 is 2. So now I can graph this. I have a slope of 3/4 and a y-intercept of 0, 2. Okay, so begin by putting a point at 2. And then I'm going to do my rise of 3 and a run of 4. And there's my dot. And I'm going to do backwards just to give myself another point. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3. 4 to the left, so making sure I still have a positive slope on my line. Okay. All right, we'll look at one more example of this. I've got 3x minus y is equal to a negative 5. Again, I could find the x and y intercepts, but I run the chance of not having a nice intercept. So we're going to go ahead and convert or switch this to slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides because that's my exciting move. Left with negative y is equal to negative 3x minus 5. Now remember there's that invisible 1 in front of y there that I need to divide by for my great divide. Okay, cancel that out. I get y is equal to, well, negative 3 divided by negative 1 is a positive 3, and negative 5 divided by a negative 1 is a positive 5. So remember my slope is 3, or I could say 3 over 1. And my y-intercept is the 0.05. Okay, so beginning at 5. Now notice on this one, I would normally rise 3, but I don't have enough room. So we're going to work backwards. I'm going to go down 3, and then go to the left one. This way, I still have a positive slope. So instead of normally what I would do, go up and to the right, I'm going to go down and to the left. And there we have it.